Hello everyone, Lolpants Gaming here. I have a few updates. Not only is it my channel's official first birthday today, but there's going to be a few changes once again. My channel's no longer going to be called Lolpants568 Gaming, it's now Lolpants568 Train Vlogs as soon as this video's uploaded. Also, in the near future I will have a new channel trailer once I have time to make it. But yeah, I will also be doing more collaborative filming with more people than just MarTV. I might be going to film with some other friends that I know. But until then, I hope you enjoy my channel. Please let people know about my channel. I'm nearly at 30 subs. I'm going to do a video when I hit 30. So yeah, thank you guys for 28 subscribers in 1 year, and goodbye.